it's your girl Vince XL coming to you with another video. And today we're going to be reviewing hair from Ayiyi Hair. So this is what the hair comes in. It comes in this cute little purple box. It also comes with these accessories, so you get your lashes, you get a hair band, a hair clip, edge brush, and a wig cap. Now this hair is 20 inches of Brazilian straight human hair. It's a 4x4 closure wig, so you're not going to get lace on the perimeter, but you are going to get lace towards the middle. It does come with 4 combs, so you get a comb on the side, a comb in the middle, and a comb in the back. It also comes with an elastic band and adjustable straps. Now I'm going to show you guys how deep the parting goes, just in case you're curious. It doesn't go that far, but I feel like it's enough to make it work. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots because they were really dark. I am using a thick consistency of bleach developer and bleach powder. I use the L'Oreal. You can use whichever one you can find really at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over the closure. You don't need that much because it's such a small area to work with. And then I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes. So I decided I wanted to bleach bang this unit. I usually do my bangs in a triangular form, so as you can see I parted it kind of like a triangle, and then I'm just adding the bleach onto it. I'm making sure to heavily bleach this because I don't know how this hair is going to take the bleach, and then I'm going to wrap it with foil. I will keep this on the hair for 40 minutes. I know I put 20 minutes on the timer, but I ended up doing 40 minutes just to make sure it took. And then when I was done, it looked like that. It still wasn't as light as I wanted it to, but it's okay. So after that, I made sure to wash and deep condition it. I also made sure to use a purple shampoo. You want to do that to tone the hair. Now, as you can see, I'm adding foundation to the wig cap, and I'm going to set it with some really warm eyeshadow. Now I'm going to try the wig on my head, and once I get into the position that I like it, I'm going to add some Got2b glue to the area where I want it glued down. Make sure to blow dry on cool because that is the only way this will dry properly, and it'll stick and get tacky. I'm also reinforcing it with Got2b glue hairspray. I know a lot of people don't like using the hairspray, but I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flatten the top of my hair with this curling iron. I forgot what they're called. Oh, iron wand iron. I really did forget what they're called. But I'm gonna just use that to flatten the top because it was looking a little bumpy. Now I'm just sectioning off the hair because I'm going to start trimming the bangs. For this part, you have to be very careful. You don't want to cut off too much at first. You want to start off with a little bit. So as you can see, I start off by measuring it by my nose, and I like to cut towards the middle of my nose. And then I will start taking off little by little, a little bit more here and there, trying to kind of figure out where I want this bang to land on my face. this is the finished look. This is the finished unit. This is how the unit looks, all finished and done and dressed up and whatnot. I have to say, I'm kind of digging this. I was kind of afraid that this was gonna come out a little janky, I'm not even gonna lie. But I kind of like the little fringe bang blonde thing. I never got to do that in high school, even though everybody else was doing it. So I'm kind of glad to do it now. It looks good. Now that I know what I'm doing, it looks decent. This hair is bomb. Like, this hair is bomb. While I was washing it, conditioning it, bleaching it, it still feels soft, first off. I didn't get any shedding in my tub. Usually I will take up all the hair in the drain. Not from this unit, not from this unit. I'm still not getting any shedding at all from this unit, which is crazy to me. This is 180% density. Just 180% density, okay? So you're getting a thick unit. Look at this. Look at that. All that hair. Yep, dig it. You digging it? And the length, 20 inches. We're talking 20 long inches. And when they say 20 inches, they're not like messing around with you. They're not gonna jiff you, okay? Look at this. Look what they gave me. My waist. And I'm 5'7", just for reference. From behind. Y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this unit. I totally want to go ahead and add blue to the bangs. I want to add blue to the bangs, definitely. I feel like I need to add some blue into my life. I don't have any blue units at all. Yeah, no real blue units. So I want to add some blue coloring to my life. I feel like it would look really cute, especially with this one streak. There's like, it'll be cute. Y'all will see. On my social medias, on my like Instagram or something, I'll post it. Keep in mind, this is a closure wig, but usually with my closure wigs, I like to put bangs in them because I'm like, I don't really know how to properly style a closure wig on me without bangs at this point. So I definitely just add bangs because it's a lot easier. I mean, sometimes I don't, like a curly unit or something, but that always eventually turns into a bang wig. I'm not even gonna play around and pretend like it's not. It is. So yeah, I like how this unit came out. I hope you guys do too. So if you guys would like to try out this hair, try out this unit, I'm going to have them linked down below. I'm putting their name up here so you guys can see who it is. Ayiyi hair. I feel like I'm saying it wrong, but it's okay. But yeah, I am definitely going to have them linked down below for you guys to check out. The hair was only $132. That's a really good price for 20 inches. I'm just saying. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you liked. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.